ContactSwing AI is a brand new AI tool that's making waves in the market right now. And if you're looking to level up your digital marketing game, you'll want to know what it can do. This AI software promises to revolutionize how you interact with your customers, track leads, and even automate certain marketing tasks. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the 7 crucial things you need to know about ContactSwing AI. And by the end, you'll have a clear idea of whether it's the right tool for your business. First off, ContactSwing AI stands out because of its advanced natural language processing capabilities. This software is designed to optimize customer interactions in a way that feels both personal and automated, making it a game changer for those in digital marketing or customer service. It can handle customer inquiries, follow-up messages, and even customize responses based on past interactions. And yes, all of this is done without sounding robotic. What's really great about ContactSwing AI is its integration features. It connects seamlessly with CRM systems, email marketing tools, and even social media platforms. That means you don't have to jump between different platforms to track interactions or make changes. Everything is centralized, saving you time and ensuring that no lead or customer inquiry slips through the cracks. Another powerful feature is the software's predictive analytics. By analyzing past interactions, ContactSwing AI can forecast potential outcomes, making it incredibly useful for targeted marketing. For example, if you run an ad campaign and see that a certain demographic responds better, ContactSwing AI will help you refine future campaigns to focus on those high conversion leads. This predictive feature is something that's typically available only in high-end expensive software, but it's part of the core offering here. Now, let's talk about the user interface. One of the things I appreciate about ContactSwing AI is how easy it is to navigate. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started with AI software, the platform is intuitive and straightforward. You don't need a degree in tech to get started. This is especially important because when you're using software for marketing, you don't want to waste time trying to figure out how to use it. With ContactSwing AI, you get straight to the value. Another key point is the software's scalability. Whether you're running a small startup or a larger business, ContactSwing AI adapts to your needs. It can handle everything from small-scale automated conversations to large campaigns that require complex tracking and reporting. This scalability makes it a long-term solution, and as your business grows, ContactSwing AI grows with you. What about security? That's always a concern with new software. ContactSwing AI takes this seriously with encrypted communications and robust data privacy features. For digital marketers, especially those handling sensitive customer data, this is a major plus. You don't have to worry about data breaches or non-compliance with regulations like GDPR or CCPA. Lastly, ContactSwing AI is versatile, working across various industries. Whether you're in e-commerce, real estate, or B2B sales, this AI software can be tailored to suit your specific needs. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, which is a big reason why so many businesses are adopting it. No matter what industry you're in, it has the potential to boost customer engagement and streamline processes. If you're curious to try ContactSwing AI for yourself, you can access it for completely free by using the first link in the description below. That way, you can see firsthand if it aligns with your business needs and workflow. I've tested thousands of AI software solutions over the years, and after thorough research, I can confidently recommend ContactSwing AI if you're looking for a robust, intuitive, and scalable AI tool for your marketing efforts. Plus, I've listed other AI software tools in the description, all of which offer free trials. Don't forget to check them out if you're exploring AI to elevate your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.